How you doing, everybody? My name is Dr. Sami Baya. Please welcome back to my YouTube channel. Dealing with a narcissist can be a very tricky business, especially when the narcissist tries to come back when you are in a better, stronger place. So, how do you deal with a narcissist when they come back? How do you make a narcissist regret losing you? And why do these narcissists come back when you're stronger? That's the title of this video. Why do the narcissists come back? And why do they regret losing you? And why do they normally come back when you look stronger? Now, narcissists thrive on the validation they get from others. The narcissist wants to feel superior. They believe they are more important, more special than you. They believe they are unique. And when they lose someone they thought was easy to control, when the narcissist loses someone who gave them constant attention, constant validation, constant praise, constant recognition, acknowledgement, they might feel abandoned, they might feel rejected, they'll feel insecure. Now, the key here is to focus on your own growth. The key is to focus on your own healing. The key is to build a life independent of them. This may make them question their actions. This may make them regret losing you, because to them you are once very valuable to them. Now, set boundaries and maintain them. A narcissist hates boundaries. They will try to push boundaries. They will try to manipulate you. They will try to guilt trip their way back into your life. They will want to come back to your life when you look stronger. So, dealing with a narcissist, when they come back and you look stronger, set those firm boundaries and stick to them. By doing that, you're showing the narcissist that you're no longer that person they used to control, that person they used to manipulate, that person they used to push around. This will make the narcissist regret losing you, because you are so compliant and accommodating to their needs once upon a time. Now, when the narcissist tries to come back, don't chase them. Don't go after them. When you stop chasing a narcissist, they find it hard to deal with you, with the loss. They want you to go after them, but you're not doing it. So remember, narcissists will feed off admiration and attention. And when you stop giving them the attention they need, when you stop giving the narcissist the attention they crave, they come to see you as a challenge. They may even feel like they've lost a source of validation. And that alone can trigger their desire to come back, especially when they realize you are not waiting for them to return. Show the narcissist that you're thriving without them. Show the narcissist that you're successful without them. Narcissists, they believe that they are the most important thing in someone's life. When you show them, when you demonstrate to the narcissist that you're thriving without them, whether it's through achieving personal goals, whether it's through finding new happiness, or simply growing stronger, they will often feel the sting of losing someone who was once so invested in them. Your newfound strength can make the narcissist question their decision and regret their actions. Narcissists also come back when they see that you are in a better place, because they need constant validation. They might have left because they were getting that validation from someone else, or felt they could manipulate you easily. But when they see that you are independent and you've regained your power, they may try to return because they want to feel validated by you again. They may also return because they feel like they lost a source of narcissistic supply, and they're trying to restore their sense of importance by coming back. The narcissist cannot stand the thought of losing control. They thrive on control and manipulation. They thrive on power in their relationships. When they realize you've moved on and you've grown stronger, it makes the narcissist feel like they've lost the control they once had over you. This can lead them to come back to you, not out of genuine love or care, but because they want to regain their position as the dominant figure in your life. So, why do the narcissists come back when you've moved on? Why do they come back when you're stronger? They want the validation they used to get from you. So they come back for ego boost. When they see you are strong, it makes them feel like they have the power to bring you back into their life. Narcissists also come back when you are stronger because they had the loss of control. They had the feeling of being ignored or rejected. And they often come back because they want to reassert control over you. You are a source of supply. They rely on others to meet their emotional needs. So when you become stronger, narcissists might come back to see if they can still rely on you for admiration, attention, validation, constant praise, constant acknowledgement. Now, narcissists come back for competition. If they see you thriving, they might feel the urge to return to prove that they are still superior and that they can still win you back. So how do you handle their return? If a narcissist comes back into your life after you've grown stronger, it is important to assess the situation carefully. Consider whether it's healthy for you to engage with them again, or if you've truly moved on and don't need that relationship in your life. If you decide not to go back, stay firm in your boundaries and keep focusing on your own well-being. Your strength and self-worth should be your primary focus, not trying to appease someone who has shown disregard for your feelings. Ultimately, by becoming stronger, you take back control of your own life. And that's the best way to make a narcissist regret losing you. Now, to quickly summarize this video, you need to focus on your own growth, because narcissists thrive on the validation they get from others, and they often want to feel superior. Also, don't forget to set boundaries and to maintain them. Setting boundaries is not a problem. A big problem can be maintaining them, because the narcissist will try to push boundaries. They hate boundaries. They'll try to manipulate you. They'll trip you to get back into your life. Don't go after the narcissist. Don't chase them. Show that you are thriving without them. Become very successful. Remember, the best revenge on a narcissist is massive success, because narcissists tend to believe they're the most important thing in someone's life. They believe they're the most special thing to ever happen in your life. So when you show them that you can thrive without them, and you do this by achieving personal goals, by finding happiness, by growing stronger, they'll feel pain of losing you, because they thought they had you in their fingers. This new strength, this new success will make them question their decision and regret their actions. Narcissists will come back when they see that you're in a better place, because they need constant validation. Or again, they can't stand the thought of losing control, because they thrive on control and power in their relationship. So when you've moved on, it makes them feel like they've lost the control they had over you. This makes them want to come back. Not because they love you, not because they care about you, but they want to regain their position as the dominant figure in your life. So the narcissist will come back when you've moved on. They'll come back when you're stronger, for ego boost, because they've lost control, because you are a source of supply, and because narcissists love competition. They see you thriving and they want to compete with you. They want to find out if they're still more important, more superior than you. Thank you for watching this video. I hope you've learned a thing or two. Please subscribe to my YouTube channel if you've not done so. Thank you.